Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking if the app is installed and present in Settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps to confirm installation. If installed, check if the app is pinned to Start or Taskbar. Right-click the app in All Apps and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. Also verify that the icon cache has not become corrupted on your PC. Restart Windows Explorer to rebuild the icon cache quickly and safely. Use File Explorer to delete the icon cache files in your user profile. Then sign out and sign in or restart the PC to force recreation. If pins still fail, re-register the Start menu using PowerShell as administrator. Run sfc/scano and dism commands to repair corrupted system files and components. Reset the Microsoft Store by running wsreset or use App Settings to repair the app. Uninstall and create a new local user account to test if the problem is profile-specific. If the new account shows apps correctly, migrate files and settings to that profile. For enterprise devices, confirm group policy and app locker settings are not blocking apps. You can reset the Start layout by removing custom layouts in Registry Editor safely. As a last resort, perform an in-place upgrade using Windows 11 Media to preserve files. Back up your system and document changes to revert faster if issues return later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.